Roku's mandatory terms of service update controversy. Roku has issued a mandatory update to its terms of service, specifically changing the dispute resolution terms. The update has caused frustration among users, as they are required to accept the new terms or stop using their Roku devices altogether. Many Roku owners are upset about the clause regarding arbitration rules, even though these terms have been in place since 2019. Customers are confused and questioning the timing and the aggressive approach to implementing the new terms. Roku has informed customers about the changes via email, encouraging them to read the updated dispute resolution terms. The company also offers an opt-out option for the new arbitration rules, but customers must act within 30 days. The controversy surrounding Roku's mandatory terms of service update has left customers with questions and concerns. The situation continues to unfold, and updates will be provided as more information becomes available.